Live from Asmara, this is ERi-TV English News broadcast for Saturday evening, 9th of May. Time is 10:30 p.m. Good evening to you, and let's begin with the top stories. Construction of additional rooms at Hawesha Health Center. Training provided to enhance teachers' capacity at Kinda subzone. India confirms delivery of S-400 missiles from Russia. And ASEAN leaders vow to strengthen energy security amid Middle East conflict. Thank you for joining us. Proceeding with our full reports. 5 additional rooms have been constructed at cost of over 300,000 NAFA at the health center located in Hawesha administration area, Galanef Hisab zone. The health center provides service to 9 villages under the administration areas of Hawesha, Ada, and Beito, and Lamza. During the inauguration ceremony held on May 7, the subzone administrator, Mr. Mahari Johannes, stated that the rooms, which were built through a community initiative, would address the space shortage previously experienced in the provision of maternity service. The head of health service in the subzone, Nurse Andemika Elfre, noted that maternal and child safety is a top priority and explained that the newly constructed rooms would make a significant contribution toward achieving this goal. The event was attended by Colonel Gebrahannes Woldegirgis, Director General of Social Service in the Central Region, Colonel Maharit Agay, Commander of the Eritrean Police, and Mr. Tesfai Tesfatzion, Head of the Ministry of Health branch in the Central Region. During the occasion, awards were presented to those who made outstanding contribution to the project. Finally, Mr. Yamane Ta'addel, Head of Administration and Finance at the Ministry of Health, delivered a speech thanking the community for its role and contribution, while also calling for increased effort to promote general sanitation and hygiene. Training aimed at enhancing teachers' capacity and implementing a structured teaching learning process has been provided to teachers ranging from preschool to secondary school levels in Ginda subzone. Mr. Suleiman Mahmoud, head of school in the subzone, highlighted the significance of preschool education in the care and training of children. He noted that organizing training sessions focused on these areas and extending them to other teachers is of great importance. Mrs. Jamila Hassan, head of preschool service at the Ministry of Education branch in the Northern Red Sea region, stated that for 2025-2026 academic year, training had been provided to approximately 90 preschool teachers. She explained that these periodic sessions, which combine both theory and practice, are yielding commendable results. There are currently 27 preschool institutions in Gedda subzone. In related news, a seminar focusing on the value of the teaching profession and the role of education was conducted for 120 teachers in Asmat subzone on May 5th. The seminar was aimed at instilling professional ethics and values among teachers. Those were updates on local issues. Global affairs will follow as we come back. Stay tuned. In our global affairs, India has confirmed the dispatch of 4th set of S-400 missiles from Russia as part of the $5.43 billion deal. The final units are likely to arrive by the end of 2026, the Deputy Chief of Air Staff has said. India signed a pact in 2018 to procure 5 S-400 systems, one of Russia's most advanced anti-aircraft weapons. Indian Air Force IAF officials completed the pre-dispatch inspection of the inbound S-400 system by April 18, according to reports. The agreement to purchase the advanced S-400 surface-to-air missile system was reached despite the threat of sanctions from the U.S. New Delhi has already approved the purchase of 5 more S-400 systems, which have a target range of 400 kilometers. The S-400 played a major role during Operation Sindoor, a military standoff with Pakistan in May year, according to Indian officials. The system was praised by Prime Minister Narendra Modi when he traveled to one of the military bases following the ceasefire. New Delhi is also looking to establish a maintenance, repair and overhaul facility for the S-400 by the private sector. Approximately 60% of India's current military inventory traces its lineage to Russia or Soviet origin designs. Leaders from ASEAN countries on Friday agreed to strengthen energy security and resilience in the region amid rising oil and commodity prices fueled by the conflict in the Middle East, according to Philippine President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos at the close of the 48th ASEAN Summit. Marcos said the leaders underscored the importance of maintaining stable and reliable energy supply chains, improving regional energy interconnectivity, and accelerating diversification toward renewable and alternative energy sources. The leaders from ASEAN countries also called for the expeditious ratification of the ASEAN Petroleum Security Agreement, a regional mechanism aimed at strengthening energy stability and protecting member states. They also pushed for the operationalization of the ASEAN Power Grid, a long-standing initiative aimed at improving cross-border electricity connectivity among the bloc's 11 member states. The project aimed to enable Southeast Asian countries to share energy resource more efficiently and to strengthen regional energy resilience. Food security also emerged as a major concern during the summit. To address the problem, ASEAN leaders agreed to keep essential goods moving, maintain open and predictable markets, strengthen intra-ASEAN trade, and reinforce regional food security mechanisms. The leaders also called for the swift ratification of the Upgrade ASEAN Trade in Goods Agreement, which seeks to modernize regional trade by making it more resilient, digital, and sustainable. We're about to end our news broadcast. Before we say goodnight, here's a final look at the top stories. Construction of additional rooms at the Hawesha Health Center. Training provided to enhance teachers' capacity at Kindak Sabzon. India confirms delivery of S-400 missile from Russia. And ASEAN leaders vow to strengthen energy security amid Middle East conflict. That wraps up the news for the session. On behalf of the entire news crew, thank you for watching. I'm Salim Brahane. Have a great night.